Hello everyone, my name is Varun Kumar Riat. I'm a SEO specialist in India, having 6 years of work experience. So, guys, in this video, I want to share this WordPress slider which I'm using in my website. This one over here, this one. So you can see it looks cool. Sliders coming over here, and how to put an image in this slider also. So guys, watch it and also support me on Patreon if you can, and like and subscribe. And I will add another slider to another page and let you know how I've done this. So guys, this is my homepage. I've just created a website for my SEO agency. I'm SEO on Upwork and I work also for companies. This is the homepage and this is the nav bar I've just made, and this is the slide over here. So it's looking cool and very nice. So that's I wanted to share. So let's go to another page. Uh, let's go to portfolio page. Now I want to add that same slider over here. So I click on edit page. The name of the plugin is, I will tell you the name of the plugin also which you have to download. Yes. So this is the plugin. It's called Greenshift Helpers or Greenshift. You can download it and you can easily install it, and then uh, let's go with the slider. So this is the header over here. I'm a SEO expert. This content is written in the header. Now I want it over here only. Let's see. So I click here, go to templates, go to fancy library. These are the options over here. Cool options. This is the Luma slider which I'm using. So I will import this. Click on import, and I will leave a link to how to do this and the video I'm already making. Import. So that's guys, it has been imported. So now we have to take this slider to the header section. Move up, move up. Click on. That's it. Now it has come to the header section. We can see now over here. Uh, I have to write portfolio. So I write portfolio here. Click here. Use backspace and write here. So guys, if you like the video, then please like and subscribe. Now this is the slider. We have added the slider. These are the images in the slider. We click on it. Click on this block. Yes. So here we get the images section. We want to add another image in the background. Choose image. So here we can choose any image, and that image will come in the slider. I choose this one. So now this image will come in the slider. So guys, that's it.